Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Hulu account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Hulu account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address hulu.com like this, and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Hulu over here, and you can see this is the home page of Hulu. And now to log into your Hulu account, you'll be required to click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen. You can see over here which says the login. But if you have not yet created an account on Hulu, you can always register for a Hulu account from over here, which says the sign up for a Hulu only. If you click on this button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to sign up or register for a Hulu account. With that being said, guys, just click on login. And you can see, guys, after we clicked on login, this kind of a dialog box appeared where we'll be required to enter our email address which we had registered on Hulu at the time of creating our account, and after that enter your password like this. but if you have not yet but if you have forgotten your email ID or password, you can simply click on over here which says the forgot your email ID or password to go through a procedure to retrieve or reset your Hulu account's email ID and password depending upon which one you lost. With that being said, guys, after entering your email address and password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Hulu account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.